Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Uh, I am creating a new playlist of Springboot basics. First we will discuss about the basics, some Springboot basics, and we will develop some Springboot application, basic related applications here. Okay, let's start today's discussion. Okay, Spring Boot. First, we will discuss C. Okay, let's think it's our Spring framework. Okay, okay. Think this is our what Spring. This is what? This is our Spring. Spring. Okay. What is Spring Boot means? It is the extension of Spring. Means this is our Spring Boot. Okay. This is our Spring Boot. The whole this is what our Spring framework. Okay. And this is what our Spring Boot framework. Okay. Spring Boot framework, and I can say I can say Spring Boot is our Spring Boot is equal to, I can say, Spring plus plus. Okay, it is the extension framework of Spring framework. Okay, I am writing. Okay, what it is a extension framework of Spring framework. Okay. And we can develop our Spring application in different ways. You know that. Okay. What different approaches are there? Approaches of developing Spring apps. What does the different approaches means? First one is our using XML driven configuration. XML driven configuration. Okay. Means what? Means inputs and instructions will given through will given through our XML file. Okay, like in XML file we have a beans tag, and inside that beans tag we have a bean tag. In that bean tag we give inputs or instruction there. Okay, and second one is what approach? annotation, okay, using our annotation plus XML approach. Okay. 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 Approaches. Okay, means our input and instructions will given through our XML file. XML file plus our what Java annotation. Java annotation. Okay, Java annotations. Then like means actually, okay, I will talk that thing later. Okay, first I will tell the third approach. Third approach is our using 100% code, 100% code driven configuration, config or 100% code driven. We can sell Java approach. Okay. Java approach means instruction and input will given through Java file or Java annotation, not Java file, using annotations and Java statements. Okay, using Java annotation and Java statements. Okay. Next, fourth number approach is our using Springboot. Springboot. Okay. Means everything plus means 3 number. What is our 100% code driven plus auto configuration plus auto configuration. Okay. Auto configuration means in our previously requires means for our having some maintenance projects are there. Maintenance projects they use means previously they developed using annotation and XML approach. Okay, this approach requires okay, required only for maintenance project. Okay, maintenance project. Okay, means we have to learn this approach only for maintenance project. Okay, if you want to learn this using XML driven, using annotation and XML approach, 100% approach, please watch my Spring basics video. Okay, this is our Spring Boot basics. Okay, we only discuss Spring Boot things, and nowadays you uses Spring Boot approach. Okay, all new project of Java they use only what boot approach. Okay, they use only boot approach. Okay. Okay, if you want to know these things, means using XML configuration, how using annotation and XML approach, and using 100% code driven approach. You have a question. We have a 100% code driven approach is there, why they are not using in maintenance project? Because when the 100% code driven came, that's in few months later they provide Springboot approach. And one benefit is there in Springboot approach, that that benefit is not there in 100% code driven approach, is auto configuration. What is this auto configuration means? I have tell something about this. Auto configuration means, what is this? Means okay, I will write. Means our okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, based on the jar file. Okay, based on the jar file means what are the dependencies are there, our dependencies. Okay, dependencies are there which are our added, okay, to our what, class path or build path, class path or build path, build path, build path. The Springboot framework provides lots of common things, okay, lot of common things automatically. Okay, automatically. Actually common things means common things means making certain Java class as a spring bean, and another means dependency injection. I hope you know these things. Dependency injection, injecting in the dependency injection means injecting one spring bean class object to another spring bean class object. You have know the ref attribute is there, which is injecting our object. Okay. Okay, then next is what? Next is sorry. Okay, next is what? Data source creation, data source object creation. I will talk what is all this thing. I will talk. Wait for a few minutes, we will get clarity about these things. Okay, means data source creation means our DB connectivity using our JDBC connection pool. Okay, DB connectivity. Okay, using our what, JDBC connection pool. If you don't know what is data source, you can watch my Spring JDBC video. And in this Springboot series, I will discuss Springboot JDBC. Okay, I use that Spring applications what are the application in Spring AOP classes, we use that application in our Spring Boot approach. Okay, but it takes little bit time. Okay, okay, connectivity. Okay, student database connectivity. Okay, I am not writing this much. Okay, then is then it's every means common thing having, or like our giving all the dependent and relevant jar files means more jar file. See, in Spring you have a Spring context colon support. There is a jar file is there. This, if you add this jar file, then we get some common files are there, like our core, score, and some files are there. Yes, means if I show Spring context support jar with all dependencies, see how many dependencies they provide. Okay, they're not given. Jar all depend all common jar names. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you're not there, I will show you in my application. Spring context support. Okay, see, these many jars they provide, like our core, context, bean, these many jars they provide. Okay, TX transaction management, JDBC. I think JDBC not given. I will show that thing. Okay, I will see that thing. Okay, let me check in MDM repository. They capture not Springboot, it's Spring context support. Okay, search it in context support. Yes, this is okay, latest version. Click to the latest version. Yes, see, they are giving our beans, context, core, and having lots of jars they inbuilt they given. Okay, if we give to this jar to our if we are adding to this jar file to our pom.xml. Okay, DB connectivity like this. Okay, and given and embedded database server. Okay, like H2 and embedded database means our H2 database, in memory database, and embedded servers like our Tomcat, JTL kind of things they are giving. Okay, see, we will see this thing. Final point is, I'm telling, based on this auto configuration feature, we can say our Spring app self-intelligent. Okay, self-intelligent app means self-intelligent application, because most of the common things required for the application develop and testing will be taken care by Springboot itself. Okay, we will see all those things. Okay, we can say Spring Springboot means Spring plus auto configuration. Okay, Springboot means Spring framework plus auto configuration, we can say that. Okay, and minus XML configuration. Okay, I write this thing. Okay, Spring boot is equal to what? Spring minus XML, what? XML configuration. Okay, configuration. Okay, minus XML configuration and plus what? Auto configuration. Main feature of this Spring Boot is auto configuration, and most important feature. Okay, auto configuration. Okay, next what we will discuss. Okay, means for better example, I'm showing. See, we have what? For working in, like, we have working. Okay, we are developing project. Let us assume I am giving good example. Okay, I'm developing a application. For developing application, okay, for developing application, we use, okay, we use what? Our Java language to develop software, means our basic core Java. Okay, Java language. Okay, Java language is like writing, is like going to mall in cycle. Okay, but using our Java, using Java and what? JEE technology, means our like JEE technology means servlet, JSP kind of things. Okay, is what? Like going to mall in what? Going to mall in motorcycle. Okay, and next what? Java technology is like, means JE technology means our servlet, JSP, JMS, JTA, like kind of things. Okay, and Java technologies means what? Our JDBC, JNDI, RMI, and some JVM based languages. Okay, we can say this is no abstraction. Okay, no abstraction. Abstraction means hiding the implemented details to outsider. Okay, and making them simple. Okay, if I show the Spring Boot code to normal people, they will what are you showing? They will tell like this. We are not showing this now. If I show the null pointer exception to, or using number format exception, array size index 0 exception to what? End user, they will not understand, because this exception only programmers will understand. So what we will do, we will give them like they understandable message, like please do not give the wrong input, amount should not be minus, like kind of things. Okay. And JE technology means it's very little abstraction. little abstraction. Okay, abstraction, I am taking short forms. Okay, and I am using like what, I'm using what, like Spring framework. What? Spring framework or means going to mall with what, in going to mall in what, car, like our Swift Nano kind of cars. Okay, means it's a good abstraction is there, we can use this good abstraction. And next is what, using what, our Spring Boot approach. What? Spring Boot framework. Okay, Spring Boot framework means like going into mall in Tesla kind of things. Okay, Tesla car. Okay, Tesla car means fully automated. Fully automated. Okay, like means huge abstraction is there. Okay, okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, like it's huge abstraction. Okay, we will see like okay. Okay, that's all for this video. We'll discuss next points on the next video. Okay, thank you.